Good morning, students. I, Dr. Jyoti Gupta. Today, I will discuss the topic changing of order of integration. So, now we will discuss the changing of order of integration. So, we take a problem and then we understand very. So, find the value of integration. Integration of 0 to integration 0 to infinity in integration of y is equal to x to y is equal to infinity into e to the power minus y upon y dx dy. So solution is, let I is equal to integration of 0 to infinity and y is equal to x to infinity e to the power minus y upon y dx dy. Here the lower limit of integration, that is y is equal to x, so we know y is equal to x is a straight line equation. So old limits are given. Y is equal to x, that is equation of straight line, and y is equal to infinity, that is upper limit, and x is equal to 0 and x is equal to infinity is upper limit. So first we draw a straight line. So here this is x axis and this is y axis. Here straight line on origin, that is y is equal to x, and a strip, that is y is equal to x to y is equal to infinity. Here in x axis y is equal to 0 and in y axis x is equal to 0. This is first figure, and draw old limits. New limits, I is equal to now in second figure we take a strip parallel of x-axis, that is x is equal to 0. Here y in y-axis x is equal to 0, and in a straight line here x is equal to y, and at x-axis y is equal to 0. So new limit is I is equal to y is equal to 0 to y is equal to infinity, and x is equal to 0 to x is equal to y into e to the power minus y upon y into dx and dy. So here y is as a constant. Now integration of y is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus y upon y into integration of 0 to y dx into dy. Here e to the power infinity is equal to infinity and e to the power minus infinity is 0. So that 0 integration of 0 to infinity e to the power minus y upon y into x 0 to y dy. So put the y in place of x. So integration of 0 to infinity e to the power minus y upon y minus 0 into dy, and after solving integration of 0 to infinity e to the power minus y dy, integrate e to the power minus y with respect to y, so we get minus e to the power minus y 0 to infinity. We take put up the limit, that is minus into e to the power minus infinity minus e to the power minus 0. So we get minus by 1 by e to the power infinity minus 1 upon e to the power 0. We know that e to the power 0 is 1, so that I is equal to minus into minus 1, that is 1. Next question is, change the order of integration. Integration of 0 to a, integration of y to a, f of x y dx dy. Old limits, that is x is equal to y and x is equal to a, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So draw a diagram, x-axis and this is y-axis. So here old limit, that is given x is equal to y. So here strip is parallel to x-axis, that is x is equal to y to x is equal to a, and y is equal to 0 in x-axis. So here origin coordinates is 0 0, and in y-axis coordinates 0 a, here coordinates a, and here a 0. So integration of 0 to a, integration of y is equal to x f x y dy dx. So new limits is y is equal to 0 and y is equal to x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Next problem is change the order of integration for I is equal to integration of minus to a, integration 0 to root a square minus y square f of x y x dy. Here x square is equal to a square minus y square, so x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now center is 0 0, radius is equal to a. This is the equation of circle. So we draw a circle and take a strip, that is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to root of a square minus y square. So that new limit is integration of 0 to a, integration of minus root a square minus x square to root of a square minus x square dx dy. Here we take now a strip, that is y is equal to root a square minus x square, and in x dash is y dash, that is 0 root of minus root a square x square. This coordinate negative sign take. Evaluate the following integral by changing the order of integration. So integration 0 to infinity 0 to x e to the power minus x square by dy dx. Solution, rewrite the problem. So integration 0 to infinity 0 to x e to the power minus x square by y dx dy. Old limit is y is equal to x, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, x is equal to infinity. We draw diagram. So here strip is parallel to y axis, so y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x. So coordinate is 0 0, here infinity 0, and here 0 to infinity, and y is equal to x. New limit is integration of 0 to infinity, integration of y is equal to y to infinity x e to the power minus x square dx dy. Integration of 0 to infinity, integration of y square to infinity to the power minus x square by y dt upon 2, limit y to infinity dy. Let x square is equal to t, so 2x dx is equal to dt. X dx is equal to dt upon 2, so limit is x square is equal to t and y square is equal to t lower limit, and infinity is equal to t upper limit. Is equal to 1 by 2 integration of 0 to infinity to the power minus t upon y 0 to infinity dy upon minus 1 upon y. So minus 1 upon 2 integration of 0 to infinity y e to the power minus t upon y into y square to infinity dy. After solving, 1 by 2 integration of 0 to infinity e to the power minus t upon y upon minus 1 by y, limit y square to infinity dy. So minus 1 by 2 integration of 0 to infinity y e to the power minus t upon y square infinity dy. That is minus 1 by 2 0 to infinity y e to the minus infinity y minus y e to the power minus y square upon y. So y is cancelled to dy. Now minus 1 by 2 0 to infinity y into e to the power minus t upon y limit is y square to infinity dy is equal to minus 1 by 2 integration of 0 to infinity y e to the power minus infinity by minus y e to the minus y square upon y into dy is equal to minus 1 by 2 integration of 0 to infinity y e to the minus y dy. Now solving, we get minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus infinity minus e to the power minus 0. So that is minus 1 by 2 into minus 1, that is 1 by 2. Next question, change the order of integration. Integration of 0 to infinity e to the power minus y is equal to x to y is equal to infinity e to the minus y upon y dx dy. Given old limit is y is equal to x, y is equal to infinity, x is equal to 0, x is equal to infinity. Draw the strip. So strip is y is equal to x to y is equal to infinity. So that is the parallel to y axis. So this is first figure. And new limit is strip is parallel to x axis. So we draw x is equal to 0 to x is equal to y. So y is equal to 0 to y is equal to infinity. 0 to x is equal to y and e to the power minus y upon y dx dy. After solving, integration of y is equal to 0 to y is equal to infinity, integration of 0 to x बराबर y e to the minus y upon y dx into dy. Now integrate in rectangle part 0 to infinity e to the minus y upon y x 0 to y dx is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e to the minus y upon y into y dy. So y is cancelled is equal to 0 to infinity e to the minus y dy is equal to minus e to the minus y 0 to infinity is equal to minus e to the minus infinity plus e to the power minus 0 is equal to minus 1 upon infinity plus 1 upon e to the power 0 is equal to 1. Thank you.